First, upload your birthday video to Google Drive. Open Google Drive, tap or click New, then choose File Upload and select your birthday video. After the video finishes uploading, right-click the file or tap the three dots on mobile, then select Share. Now, change the access settings to Anyone with a link so the video can be opened by anyone who scans the QR code. Then tap Copy Link to copy the shareable link. Next, open your browser and go to goqr.me. On the website, choose the Website/URL option. Now, paste your Google Drive video link into the link field. The QR code will be generated automatically. After that, click Download to save the QR code image or copy it and share it directly. Now you can send this QR code on WhatsApp, Instagram, or print it on a birthday card, and anyone can scan it to watch your birthday video. And that's it. That's how you make a QR code for a birthday video. If this helped, please like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching,